Why are you walking away? We're dating. Come here.
Did I just call you daddy?
No, I want to bite the same burritos you're biting. Cause that's romantic.
Okay, keep it together. Hello world and welcome back to another exciting vlog. Thank you guys so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing and watching my videos. Can't thank you guys enough for all your support. Went to the store today, bought myself some flowers. You wanna see? You wanna see? I gotta spoil myself somehow, you know? I even got some sushi, some healthy sushi. Like, that's all I need. Oh, I have some exciting news. I'm getting some tattoos this week. Yep. So comment down below what you think the tattoos are going to be. I'm super excited to share with everybody. I'm just excited to get more tattoos. Like, I just want to be tatted up. You know what I mean? Anyways, but yeah, I love you guys so much and let's get into this vlog. How y'all doing? All right, so I finally ordered both Mark and Pearson's housewarming gifts. I'm gonna show them to you before I wrap them up. So, for Mark, I got him a salt lamp, and I think these are so cool. He's wanted one for a while now, and he's always stressed. These are like de-stress, I don't know, but it's a salt lamp. It's dope. It's so heavy. Got him this, and I got him a couple of necklaces because he always likes the ones I wear. I bought him a couple, just a little something, something, you know. And then for Pearson, he's really hard to shop for, but he loves Stranger Things, and so I got him the Stranger Things mug because he always drinks coffee and he has a bunch of mugs, so I thought I'd get him one. It's so cute. And this is so random, but I got Pearson. It's a bubble wand. So you go like this and it makes giant bubbles. I don't know why I got it. I saw it and I thought it would be really funny and cute for him. Hopefully he likes that. I got like gift bags for them just to be a little bit more like cutesy. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? No? Okay. Yay! I'm done. Now I gotta wait for them to come home from working out. How was your workout?
Oh, you know, just blasting, getting back to where I was. It's gonna take some time, but we gonna get there.
Okay, you ready for your housewarming gift?
Yeah.
It's up in your room.
You better not fuck my room.
No, it's a present.
You want me to walk in or?
Yeah, it's just a gift.
Wow. Oh,
Careful, it's heavy.
oh, these are cool. Oh yeah, those are the ones I like. Oh yeah? Thank you. Oh, wow. These are cool. My sister loves crystals. It'll be a great re-gift for her.
Ah! It's for like stress and stuff.
You're saying I'm stressed?
Yeah, you're always fucking stressed.
Yeah, these will be cool. They look cool too.
Freaking huge!
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I wonder if I could shave any off and eat it.
Probably not.
Do you think it tastes like salt?
No.
Yeah!
No way.
Look at that.
That's sick.
All the stress just left my life.
You
It's
know?
like I'm in touch with my inner self. Rebecca girl, she's like, oh my god, you have plants that are thriving at a Himalayan pink crystal sea salt lamp? Say no more.
Say no more. Oh, oh my god. Nice. It's Pearson's gift time. Pearson!
Yeah. Ooh, I love it. An avocado. Bubbles.
You know, there's a joke.
What?
I'm not gonna say the joke.
Why? Is it too inappropriate?
Thinner, but roughly the same size.
Oh my god. It's fragile.
Oh my god, I love cardboard. Thank you, Adelia. More cardboard.
You're killing me.
Oh. In a world full of 10s, be an 11. Ah!
Stranger Things!
I'm very happy.
Yay!
I am an 11, keep Adelia.
You're welcome.
You're the bestest.
I know you always drink coffee.
I do.
I'm gonna try out his bubble. Pearson!
Yeah. Look at your bubbles.
So funny.
My bubbles.
I'm not gonna lie.
You know that people of Walmart?
Yeah.
I'm people of Costco.
You are people of Costco.
Remember when everybody bought all the paper towels because they thought there was going to be none left?
Holy moly!
I'm about to beat your ass in tic-tac-toe.
You can reach it. You wanna go first? You want me to go first? Oh, that was your first mistake.
Hurry up. I'm a winner, he's a loser. Get out of my vlog. No losers in my vlog.
I want a rematch.
A rematch?
Oh Canada, oh Canada, oh Canada,
I know you guys miss me. Well, I don't know where Mrs. Adelia's at. Look at them, look at them. Mrs. Olive and Mrs. Adelia. It's the intro. Why are you walking away? We're dating. From my hood, when this shit does not work, this is how you turn it on, okay?
Okay.
Paint bay.
Ah!
Oh my gosh.
Ah, papi, ¿cómo andamos, papi? ¿Cómo That's good.
What are we making today, chef?
What are we cooking, Mrs. Olive?
We are cooking tacos.
No shit.
Today on
No, this is my vlog, get out of here. Today, we're gonna be cooking some fabulous tacos for you guys. And my arms are so small for no reason, but it's okay because I am very talented. And my nipples are itchy right now. They're lower.
Wow. We got options, girl.
Hey, I really have to tell you something.
Yes.
I have a white stomach China and a heavy flow. Stupid.
Adelia, come here. You know any Spanish? They say, hi. Hola,
Hola.
estás muy guapo.
Estás muy guapo.
Me encantas.
Me encantas.
Eres un papacito.
Eres un papacito.
Like a year.
Did I just call you daddy?
No, I want to buy the same burritos you're buying. Cause that's romantic.
Okay.
You together?
I'm good.
Yeah.
Welcome back to my vlog. Like, subscribe, comment down below.
You're good at it.
I know,
Look at you. God damn.
Yeah, it's, what is it called? Like a jack of all trades, but a master of none. I don't vlog, but I know all the tricks. So our boyfriends are out of town. We're like really sad, so we're just gonna have a girls' day today.
I didn't know I had a boyfriend.
I didn't either, but you know, just whatever.
Right,
We'll call them boyfriends. Everyone's my boyfriend.
Right. Best friends for life.
Future husband's gonna see this video and be like, what the fuck? You're gonna get married one day, Adelia, and this video exists now?
On the internet. For the rest of humanity.
Your children are gonna see this! I feel bad for our future freaking ex-wives and husbands.
Yo, wait.
You guys are literally my best friends.
Wait, yes. Noise. Alright, future message to future selves. Go, Mark.
Future Mark, I hope you have kids by now, and they're seeing this video and they see that you're an awesome dad.
Hello, future Adelia. Just so you know, I used to pull lots of
Alright, future Pearson. No offense to if you do have kids, but I really hope you focus on not having kids right now. And don't get married.
And first try.
Try number 1.
Okay. First try. Give a shout out to that plant for just looking amazing. Yeah!
Nailed it!
What are you doing right now?
buying a new computer.
How do you feel?
I might have a slight heart attack.
Guys, hit that subscribe button, like this video so she can pay it off.
For real though.
Investing in yourself, I'm proud of you.
Thanks for putting my Venmo username down in my description box.
Sure, if you guys want to send her $1, go ahead.
About to buy a new laptop. You should see how much it is. $2,100. It's okay. It's gonna be an investment, myself, to YouTube, to all my videos. I just did it! I did it! I pressed the button. I pressed the button.
Congratulations, how do you feel?
I think I pooped a little bit.
Yeah, big expense, but it's good. Gotta invest in yourself.
He was happy. He was happy for me. What are you wearing?
What do you mean, what am I wearing?
What is
Go to my vlog to see what happens next.
what is this?
What's wrong with my outfit?
Hey Google, tell Mark to shut up!
I can do that.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching my video. Please hit that like button and comment button and subscribe button. And please check out his video and his video. I guess I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.